So this is Joe's R380 stripped down and put back together. And I'll check it on the bench, make sure it was getting into all gears. However, when I put the drill on it and was turning it round full of oil and simulating there was an engine in front of it, it would only half go into reverse, and then it would sort of spring out, and I couldn't really work out why. I don't know if you can see it, but I took the end cover off. Can you see here with my pointed stick? When I push this into reverse, let's see if I can. I'm not sure if I can. There. Now look around here. Can you make it out that this piece has been touching this piece of metal? Now isn't that unusual? I've never seen that before. But you can see how it's got bent, look. So I took this piece off, kind of easy to get off. 2 bolts out there, 2 bolts, one that one. I slackened them off and it wouldn't move, so I took them out and I took the slitting disc and I just cut it with a grinder and cut a piece off. How that happened I do not know, because you see, if it had got bent, there's a little bit bend here, but that shouldn't be anything, and putting the casing on shouldn't have damaged it. But how could it have bent round, if you get my drift? I don't understand that bit. But now, if I push that into reverse, you can see here that this has got a nice clearance, and this fork is almost hitting the casting, but you can hear the detent's gone in. You see what I mean? It's lovely. Now look at that. That's lovely. Must be Welsh day today. Yeah, so that's it. That'll fix that job. Now, if you can see there, I've got bolts holding this cover down because I didn't want to disturb the seal that goes between the main casing and this sandwich plate. So that's not too bad. Now, one thing I have noticed just before I finish, I was using Hylamar, that white Hylamar silicone sealer, and usually petrol takes it off. Didn't really want to move with petrol, but with brake cleaner, this stuff down here, clean flow, whatever, non-chlorinated, it took it off lovely. Just a little tip. Well, you might want to know that one day. Anyway, let's get this built up. Now we can put Joe's engine and transfer case back together, and that job will be done.